Gihigugma.
Gihigugma tika.
Ganahan ko makaibaw sila og mag-Bisaya. So karon ako silang tudloan og unsaon pag-greet ato ang mga Bisaya nga naa diri sa Bohol. So when we say good morning, so we will say that maayong buntag. Maayong buntag. Yes, nice one, Andrew. Maayong buntag. How about you, Judy?
Maayong buntag.
Fast learner. Fast learner, ha? Maayong buntag. When we say delicious food, lami ang pagkaon. Lami ang pagkaon. Lami ang pagkaon. Oh! Lami means delicious, yummy. And pagkaon is foods. Lami ang pagkaon.
Lami ang pagkaon.
Pagkaon. Wow! So that means delicious and yummy. Lami ang pagkaon. What do you want to know more about in Bisaya?
How do you say good night?
Good night. Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi.
Maayong gabi.
Awesome.
Maayong gabi.
Oh. Fast learner, ha?
I have to try to remember.
Yes. Diba, when we say in Espanol, I love you, te amo. Right? Te amo. You want to know how to speak. Yeah. I love you is gihigugma. With feelings.
You say with very much passion.
Yes. Gihigugma. Ika. How about you?
Or emotion.
Gihigugma. Ika.
Gihigugma tika.
Gihigugma. Ika. Okay, what other Bisaya? Guapa, beautiful. Oh, it's different. Beautiful and handsome. When we say beautiful, guapa. Oh, when we say handsome, guapo. Guapo si Ando. Oh, guapa si Judy. Oh, diba? Okay. Say.
Guapo.
Bravo. Yeah. How about you, Judy?
Guapo? Guapa.
What do you want y'all to know about Bisaya? Asa man yanani mo? Kanang basic lang.
How do you say thank you?
Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Daghang salamat. Daghang salamat. Salamat. Okay. Daghang salamat. Yay! So guys, alira tapaman. Daghang salamat.
Ay, salamat.
Yay!